Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set gift card expiration dates on your Shopify store. So if you're currently offering gift card and you want to have some expiration on that, let me show you how to do it. So click the settings on the lower left hand side. Then from here, you want to go to payments on the left and you want to scroll down to where you will find gift cards. It will show you gift card expiration. Now by default there's no expiration set, but if you want that to change and set an expiration, just simple choose gift card expire and you can choose how long. So it's currently set by 5, so let's say I want to do it for 2 years maximum. I can go ahead and I can do that. You can always set that to months or days. So if you want it for days as well, let's say you want it to be 7 days, you can go ahead and do that. If you want it to be 1 month or something like that, you can go ahead and switch that. So once you do that, guys, just simple click and save on the upper part of your screen, and that's how you go ahead and set the expiration date for gift cards on your Shopify store. And that's it.